Hello, good morning everyone. I hope you all are well and fine at home and enjoying your classes, learning a lot out of them. Isn't it like that, class? So now it's time to begin with our today's studies, today's classes. What are we going to do today? Before that, can anyone tell me what is the day today? So we are meeting after 2 days holidays and today is Monday. So what is the date, class? If you can see on the board, it's 22nd February 2021. And on Monday, we begin our work with English class. Isn't it so? So can anyone read the topic for me? What is our today's topic? So today we are going to do the revision of those sounds which we have done few months back. कुछ महीने पहले किया था. So today we are going to do a revision of those sounds again. So what are the sounds? Ch, C and H. So what sound C and H is making? Ch. Then the next sound we are going to do is sh, S and H. When S and H are blended with each other, the sounds are blended. What is the sound coming out? Sh. Then we have W and H. So what is the sound? W. W. Then E. I told you, if you remember, when any letter is repeated twice, जब कोई लेटर एक साथ दो बार लिखा जाता है तो उसकी साउंड थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग हो जाती है, उसकी साउंड हम थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेच करते हैं. सो वी हैव ई एंड ओ साउंड वर्ड्स. क्लियर? सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट साउंड्स वी डिड. Today we are going to do a revision of all these sounds. How we are going to do? Can you see? I have drawn some pictures on board. So what we are going to do? You are going to identify all these pictures and we will write their name. And when we will write, we will see the sounds, we will follow the sounds and write the alphabets. Is that clear to everyone? So let's begin with the work. Can anyone identify the very first picture and tell me what is that? Yes, class. What picture is this? Very simple for all. It's a tree. Isn't it? Now, tell me which sounds you are going to write here. What are the alphabets? Listen to the sound carefully. Focus on each and every sound. So the first picture is tree. T-R-E. When T and R are written together, the sound comes tr. Tr-E. Tree. Clear? So let's write T, R, E, and we got the word tree. Clear? अब आप मुझे बताइए, क्या आपको यहाँ पे कुछ भी क्राम करने की, रटने की या तोतों की तरह लाइक अ पैरट कुछ करने की जरूरत है? No, you just have to follow the sounds. So don't be a crammer, you don't have to cram. रटना नहीं है. Just follow the sounds. This is what I have been telling since beginning. Now, what is this? See, I have put an arrow mark here if it is not visible. Can you see this arrow mark? तो ये arrow mark किस तरफ है? What is this? ये arrow mark है. तो आप मुझे बताएंगे what is this? You must have seen mama or didi at home wearing footwears which is having high heels. Yes, So it is heel. What is it? Heel. Heel, isn't it? So now just follow the sound and write what the sound is. Heel. 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 What is it? Heel. Clear? Now, can you tell me what picture is this? Something which we use to clean our room. Can anyone tell me what I have drawn there? What is used by maid auntie or sweepers when they are cleaning the room? What is this? It's a broom. Broom. B and r together. Broom. So what is it? Broom. झाड़ू को बोलते हैं हम लोग. So let's write that. Broom. Broom. Clear everyone? Now can you identify the next picture? What picture is this, class? Identify it. Something made of wood and we use when we want to sit. Think of it. One of the word from these sounds. What it can be? मैम ने आपको sounds भी लिखे हैं. So just think what word you have learned and what it can be. It's a stool. Yes, again oo. Stool. Clear? So how you are going to write that? Stir. Sir and ter. Stir. Ooh. When I'm saying ooh, that means double O. कौन सा आएगा? ooh. ज्यादा जा रहा है ओ साउंड तो डबल ओ हो गया. Stool. Stool. Isn't it? So there is nothing to cram. I'm saying again and again. Now let's move to the next picture. A favorite of everyone. Whenever we are watching movies or anything, we take a packet, we sit, we keep munching. Something made of potatoes. Yes, what it can be? They come in variant flavors, tangy taste होते हैं इनके, and we all love eating it. मम्मा की चपाती अच्छी लगे न लगे, सब्जी में चिली लगी है, but इसमें कभी चिली नहीं लगती. चिली फ्लेवर का भी खाओगे तो चिली नहीं लगती आपको. So what it can be? Chips. What is it? Chips. Now if you will see when we are saying so what alphabets you think we are going to write or we are going to begin with? CH. C and H brings the sound ch. So let's write chips. Now see, if you will see, it's a ip sound also. हमने I में किया था ना ip family, so it's an ip sound also, and it comes with ch sound also. Chips. Clear? Now, what is this? It's a game. If you remember, it's a game which is having black and white squares. इस तरह से आप देख रहे हैं black और white squares होते हैं इसमें, and we have king, queen, soldiers, elephant, बहुत सारे इसमें लोग things होते हैं. हमारे while we were doing square shape. Just think of it which game it can be. And it's a ch sound word. Ch sound. Just think of it which game it can be. Ch S. Chess. So what word are we going to write? Ch S. Now see, when I am saying the word ch S, again जो हमारा साउंड है थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग जा रहा है, that means S will come 2 times. So it's chess. What game is this? Chess. आपने देखा है chess में हमारे सिपाही होते हैं, राजा होता है, रानी होती है, फिर कभी आपने दीदी को या मम्मा पापा को खेलते हुए देखा होगा, उसमें वजीर होता है जिसको हम सोल्जर्स भी बोलते हैं या मंत्री कह देते हैं हमारा. देन वी हैव एलिफेंट, घोड़ा होता है, कैमल भी होता है. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट हमारे डाइसेस होती हैं, गोटियां होती हैं जिनको हम इनके ऊपर रखते हैं एंड वी प्ले. क्लियर? सो व्हाट गेम इज दिस? चेस. Ch is chess. Now, yes, what is this? Birthday आया है तो ये तो घर डेकोरेट करने के लिए यूज होगा ही. And you all are aware. What is this? Balloon. Yes. So can you tell me which sound word it is? Sorry. Which sound word is this, class? Just think once. Balloon. Balloon. Oo sound. Yes. Where we will write double O. But in this we are also going to write balloon. Double L and double O. Clear? So the word we have written is balloon. में भी थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग जाएगा, then O में भी लॉन्ग जाएगा. So double L and double O. Balloon. Balloon. Clear? Okay. What is this? The wheels of the bus go round and round, round and round. तो बस का क्या round and round होता है? Wheel. Yes, wheel. So can you tell me what sound word is wheel? Wheel. Yes, which sound it is? Eel. So now it's double way. It can be your W sound also because it is beginning with W. It can be your E sound also because we have double E. Clear? So it can be written as W sound or E sound. Both the ways it can be. Wheel. Eel. Wheel. Clear? Now, which grain is this? जिसको क्लीन करके ग्राउंड करके मम्मा उसकी चपातीज बनाती हैं. So can you tell me which grain is this? Wheat. Wheat. गेहूं. आप देखते हैं ना गेहूं की रोटी खाते हैं. मम्मा मार्केट से गेहूं का आटा लाती हैं, फिर उसका डो बना के चपातीज बनाती हैं. So which wheat is this? Sorry, which grain is this? Wheat. It's a W sound word. Eat. Wheat. Eat. Wheat. Clear, class? So if you can see, हमने 5 sounds लिए थे. च, श, व, ई, ओ. Clear? But the pictures which I have drawn are very few. If you will do the revisions from your book, you will find some words for reading also. Some words were with pictures, if you remember we have done. And a part of that, when I taught you these sounds, I have also shared many more words with you. So please, you have to revise all those words in two ways. One is like this, where picture is given and you have to write the name. And the other way is to learn in the form of rhyming words. Clear? Now if I say, tell me three words for ch sound, or you can tell me, or I can say, tell me a ch sound rhyming words. So how you are going to say? Chips, chair, chain. ठीक है, rhyming words में हम 3 words लिखते हैं. So if I ask you to tell me rhyming words of ch sound, how you will say? Chips, chair, chain. हो गए 3. Now if I say, tell me rhyming words for sh sound. So how you are going to tell? Which are those words that you are going to share? Shark. मछली याद है ना? Shark fish. Shark. Shut. Shirt. Shark, shut, shirt. Isn't it? Shark, shut, shirt. Shirt क्या होती है जो आप पहनते हो? Then we have sheep. We have sharp. Sharp होता है knife. So this is how you have to learn these rhyming words also. Okay. Can you tell me rhyming words for work sound? Yes. We have wheel, wheat, and 2 I have here on board. What is the other one? Wheel, wheat, white. Color name, you remember that? Then tell me rhyming words for E sound. अब देखो, मैंने आपको इसमें बताया था ना, यहाँ E आ रहा है. So you can say this wheel for W sound also. You can say it for double E sound also. So we have green, we have tree, we have wheel as our rhyming words for double E sound. Similarly, if asked for double O sound, then what are the different rhyming words? Can you tell me? Moon, broom, stool. What are these? Rhyming words for double O sound. Clear? तो आप जब इन sounds का revision करेंगे, you will prepare them for your assessments. Don't forget to prepare them for rhyming words also and for picture identification also. Clear all? Okay. Now let's proceed towards our notebook work and see what work we are going to do in notebook today. Okay? So open your English notebook. Write down today's date, topic and classwork. So what is the topic? You will write the whole topic. CH, SH, WH, EE, sound words. इस तरह से आप पूरा topic लिखेंगे. I'll just show you in my notebook also. So open your notebook. Okay class? So class, now open your notebook and let's see how we are going to do our today's work. So as I told you, first you have to write today's date, 22nd February 2021. Mention classwork and then write down the topic CH, ch, SH, sh, WH, w, E, O sound words. Clear? And after that class, see, I have drawn some pictures. You can take the pictures which were on board or you can also take these pictures. Clear? It's completely your wish. But don't forget you have to draw the pictures. Picture draw करना बहुत compulsory है. It's must. So without drawing the pictures, no one will do the work. Clear? So like this, you can draw these pictures. Now let's start identifying the pictures and write their name. Can you tell me what picture is this? Who is this? Someone who gives us sweet, yummy honey. So who gives us honey? Bee. Yes, a honey bee. So it's a bee. B-E. Bee. So like this you will write B. Clear? Now can you tell me what is the next picture we have? What picture is this? Tree. T, R, E. Tree. T, R, E. Tree. Now, can you tell me what is this? What is the next picture we have now? Balloon. Yes. B, A, double L, double O, N. Balloon. B, A, double L, double O, N. What's that? Balloon. Now, what is the next picture after balloon? What is this? Yes, it's a wheel. Something that helps in the movement for vehicles. हर vehicle में देखा है ना आपने? Every road transport have it. So what is it? Wheel. W H double E L. It's wheel. W H double E L. Clear? Now what is this? That comes during night time in the sky. Yes, who comes at night? Shining in the sky. Moon. So let's write moon. Moon. Now what is this? Can you tell me? Yes, made of potatoes, which we enjoy eating while watching television, movies. Chips. 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 So what is this? A water transport that carries people from one place to another. Yes, have a closer look. It's a ship. Now can you see what sound is coming? Sh. That means sh. Ip. Again, a sh sound word and a ip sound word. Ship. Sh, ip, ship. Now, the last picture. What is this? Yes, we have written the name of this grain on board also. Something which we use for making chapatis. Wheat. Eat wheat. Eat wheat. So class, this is how you will do your today's classwork, where you will practice the words related to ch, sh, w, e and o sound in your notebook. All about your classwork. So what's your homework, class? In homework, you are going to practice writing rhyming words. Can you see here? So write down the date, topic and mention homework. So your today's homework is rhyming words for the ch, sh, w, e and o sound. So this is your today's homework. Clear? Remember, your classwork is different and your homework is different. So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to do your today's work in notebook, both your homework and classwork. Clear? So as I have told you in the beginning also कि classwork का work ऐसे कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है? And for homework you can practice it in the rhyming word form. किस तरह से हम rhyming words लिखते हैं? तो मैम ने आपको बताया sounds लिखिएगा और उसके सामने उसके rhyming words. So it will be a both way practice for you. Clear? Now it's time to finish your work and get ready for the next class. Take care.